Holy moly, look at the brush fire. And it's right here, right on the side of the road.